Hi guys, good morning. Ito yung pambaon ngayon guys ni Smart Kid. Ayan, isa lang daw guys ang babaunin niya. So ayan, ano na si mama ng isa. Okay, tapos kiwi, 3 piraso. Ate siya, I love you. 3 kiwis. 3 slices of kiwi. And then milk. Okay, and then water, of course. Okay? Yan guys. Napaka-yummy and healthy. Pagbaon for kids. And dinuto ni Nani early morning. Yan din ang breakfast namin. Ayan. So we have to close now. Ayan. Napaka-yummers ng ating pabaon lagi kay Smart Kid. Yummy and guys, tingnan nyo guys. Kung mainit pa yung loob, may pasingawan yan. Para hindi siya magpanis. So, diba? Ching! Tupperware brands. Thanks for watching guys. Bye and God bless.